Hi guys, happy holidays. I'm with Heartland America and we are going to make sure that you guys are safe this winter season, especially on the road. So I'm just going to go over some things that I keep in my car that you guys should as well, and a reminder that these are all at a great value price at heartlandamerica.com. First up, we have a bestseller here at Heartland America and it comes in this nice bag. We have a portable jump starter, and the best part, no messing with tangles or cords. You have your cords right here and it'll jump it right for you. Not only that, it has this nice LED display. It also has a flashlight with also an emergency flare as well. Not only that, it'll charge your phone for you. And yeah, you just simply, you'll plug in your cords in the back and yeah, you can jump start your car. This is perfect. This makes a great gift for anyone this Christmas. And I think it is a must-have for everyone to have in their car all year round and not just the winter. Another plus is it even gets better. It also has things to, right in here, and some pieces as well, to put air into your tires. You can inflate some inflatables. Maybe during the summer you'll have this for your floaties, but for the winter I think it's perfect to have something to put air in your tires as well in case of any emergency. And then I believe another must-have for your car is a first aid kit. This is again another thing that's good year-round. This is a 210-piece first aid kit at a great value from Heartland America. Look how full it is. It has anything from tweezers to gauze to any size band-aids you need. Another great must-have for your car, all in this nice portable first aid kit. And then this is some definite winter-ready stuff to keep in your car. It's always nice to have spare of things that will keep you warm in case of an emergency. First up, I have these nice brown women's Chelsea boots. These are a great bestseller for us. What a great gift they would make this Christmas, and a good spare pair of shoes to keep in your trunk. We also have other men's shoes available as well that would keep you warm this winter. And yeah, these are definitely, I'm the type that definitely keeps spares in my car, and I believe that it is always wise to do so. Now I have a great value pack deal coming at you guys from Heartland America, and I'm actually wearing one of them. We have a 3-pack of LED beanies. See, the light will turn on. We got the regular LED, goes dimmer and dimmer as well. Perfect. We offer it in black, navy, and gray. You get all three again for a great value price. This is great to keep in your trunk, because then also if you have passengers, you have spares for them, or maybe it's a great gift to give to 3 different people so they can keep it in their car and be safe this winter season. Now, when you leave the house, you might already be wearing a jacket, but I believe it is always good to still keep a spare in your car. Here I have this best-selling Canada weather gear jacket. If you see how nice the color is, it is super nice. Will keep you warm on the inside. It has a great hood, multiple pockets, full zip up. But this is just a good, again, another good spare to keep in your car. Not only that, we do have great guys jackets available as well that you can keep in your car as a nice spare. But again, just another great thing to keep in your car. Another thing you might not think of to keep in your car that I'm actually wearing is this heated scarf. Another great way to keep your body warm this winter, and it heats up just right here with this button. There is 3 levels to the warmth, and what a great way just to make sure your neck is warm, you know, if you're outside dealing with car troubles. And yeah, just again, this also makes a great gift this season. And what's actually keeping me very nice and warm while I'm outside filming this is these nice heated gloves that we sell as well at Heartland America. Super easy Velcro strap. It's basically one size fits all, and you can just heat them right here as well, and it's got my hands nice and toasty. Well, happy holidays, guys. I just showed you some great essentials to keep on hand, keep in your trunk or in your home to make sure you are safe while traveling this holiday season. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out these great deals at heartlandamerica.com. And again, happy holidays.